looking at the center of this wheel, keep your mind on my words. Think of nothing else. Soon your eyes will get heavy and you wish to find out how to do optical illusion design? Hi, I'm Anastasia, and for this tutorial we will need entity, top coat, and a synthetic striper brush number 0. So I have buffed acrylic nail already, and first we need to apply a background, so I will be using black gel polish. I will apply first coat, and it's okay if the first coat will not be as black as you wish, just we will need to apply another one. And if you're working on acrylic nails like me, do not forget to buff the surface, but do not use a very light buffer. I recommend to use at least 180 grit. After applying the first coat, do not forget to cure it for 1 minute in LED. And the second coat we can apply it slightly closer to the cuticle, and at this point you need to make sure that we don't have any gaps, any marbling effect. We need to have a really nice black color, so make sure you covered it all. And also I recommend for dark colors to cap the free edge, because it will look so much better this way. So after application, cure the second coat as well. Usually it's 1 minute in LED. It really depends on the product. And after curing, we will start doing the design. So first I will put the dots right in the center and some dots across. So I just want to measure this place where we will put our jewelry. Let's check. Yes, it's almost the same size. And then I will do the lines that will lead us to the center wheel. So I start with a relatively wide line and then curve it, and as it goes closer to the center, the line gets thinner. So to do the thick line, I need to press on my brush, but as I go closer to the center, I slightly raise my elbow and do not press on the brush at all. Just keep focused that all the lines should be directed in the center, no matter what side do they come from. I decided to do all nail in the line, so they will be all directed to the center where I will place the jewelry later.
On fire and no one could save me but you. It's strange what desire will make foolish people do. And I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. And I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you.
When we are done with the lines, do not forget to check if there's enough, cure it for 1 minute in LED, and then I will seal it. I am using my favorite Sock-Off Entity top coat. Make sure you sealed it all, because when you have this kind of hypnotic design, it's kind of easy to miss some spots. So make sure it's all sealed. Do not forget to cap the free edge and fully cure it for 1 minute in LED lamp. Then we will install the wheel, and it really depends on what do you want to get. So if this only for a party or one evening, it's okay to use gel polish only. Just put a drop with these tweezers, put the jewelry on top and cure it like this, because we actually need to hold it for a while so it will not fall off. But if you plan to wear it for a few days, I would recommend to use acrylic drop because it will secure it so much better rather than gel polish. And now it's installed. Just take a look at this. This is how it looks from the side view, and I guarantee you or your clients will be playing with this jewelry all the time. I added few white lines on other nails to finish up the design. Let me know, what do you think? Do you have any clients that will dare to do a design like this? Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing as I post tutorials, tips and tricks every week just like this one. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!